Hello, little explorers. Welcome to Tien and Mew's English School. Today we're going on a fun and exciting journey. Let's explore North America together. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to follow the channel and give it a like. It means a lot and helps me see your positive feedback, so I can keep creating more happy and helpful videos just for you. Are you ready? Let's go. North America's national parks. Did you know that North America has many amazing national parks? These are special places full of nature, animals, and adventure. Perfect for camping, hiking, and discovering the wild world. Here are some of the most famous ones. Yellowstone National Park, USA, the first national park in the world. It has bubbling geysers, colorful hot springs, wild bison, and even bears. Yosemite National Park, USA, full of giant granite cliffs, waterfalls, and tall redwood trees. You can see El Capitan and Yosemite Falls, both made by nature's magic. Grand Canyon National Park, USA, a huge canyon with red rocks and deep cliffs, carved by the Colorado River. Banff National Park, Canada, full of icy blue lakes, tall snowy mountains, and forest animals like elk and moose. Jasper National Park, Canada, home to glowing stars, glaciers, and turquoise rivers. Great Smoky Mountains National Park, USA, foggy mountains with wildflowers, fireflies, and soft rolling hills. Copper Canyon, Mexico, deeper and longer than the Grand Canyon, with canyons, green forests, and waterfalls. Everglades National Park, a swampy home for alligators, turtles, and birds, where you can ride in special boats through the tall grass. Famous cities in North America. North America is also home to some of the most famous and exciting cities in the world. New York City, a big, busy city with tall buildings, yellow taxis, glowing lights, and Broadway shows. Los Angeles, where movies are made, with sunny weather, palm trees, and the Hollywood sign. San Francisco, with its red Golden Gate Bridge, steep hills, and cozy cable cars. Chicago, a windy city by a big lake, full of skyscrapers and deep dish pizza. Dallas, A city full of cowboy history, sports, and big open skies. Nashville, the heart of country music. Songs with guitars and cowboy boots. Toronto, in Canada, a multicultural city with big towers, friendly people, and tasty foods. Mexico City, full of Aztec history, beautiful buildings, and colorful markets. Florida, a warm and sunny state with beaches, palm trees, and lots of fun. Miami, a colorful city by the ocean with sandy beaches, music, and tasty tropical fruit like mangoes and oranges. Orlando, the land of fun. Theme parks, roller coasters, and magical adventures. Symbols and cultures. North America is made up of many different countries and cultures. You can find the American bald eagle, the national bird of the USA. Native American peoples have lived here for thousands of years, with rich stories and strong traditions. Long ago, the Aztecs and Mayas built amazing cities, pyramids, and temples. There are big cities, small towns, and lots of different languages. Clothes, celebrations, and music. Animals you might see. There are so many animals that live in North America. Raccoons with stripy tails, alligators in the swamps of Florida, bears in the mountains and forests, bald eagles flying in the sky, and even moose. Beavers and deer. Food, fruits, and drinks. In North America, there are tasty foods and sweet fruits. Hamburgers, hot dogs, and mac and cheese are popular dishes. Apples, blueberries, and oranges grow in many places. A lot of people love to drink iced tea or milkshakes, especially when it's hot outside. Let's remember, North America is full of nature, fun places, yummy foods, and people from many backgrounds. From red deserts and blue lakes to giant cities and ancient temples. There's so much to see and learn. Maybe one day you'll visit North America too.